and Dale Manning in one that's called Play Dirty. All right, get him stage up. There's the green. Looking to take time.
Hold on tight.
Play Dirty, first one across the center there. Looks like problems for the Blazers. So coming around to take the finish. Let's see what kind of time he puts up. Dale Manning in Play Dirty. It is a 40 seconds flat for Play Dirty. That's going to put him in second place overall. Rubber Duckies still leading at a 35.83. And we have another